Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Grandmother was eating green grapes and guava. Granddaughter came with a glass of water. Thank you, said grandmother. Helping grandparents is a blessing.
Let's meet with new sounds. G, g, g. Let's do actions with me.
The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain with a g.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Grapes, guava, glass. G, g, grapes. G, g, guava. G, g, glass. Dear kids, what do you know about guavas? What is the shape of guava?
see you in the next lesson.